How to fix more than one account with that phone number on Twitter. So if you are trying to log into your Twitter account and you got a problem with it that more than one account with that phone number on Twitter, then this video might help you to fix. So watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Twitter from where you can enter your credentials and log in. So that problem occurs when you have too many Twitter accounts linked with the same phone number. So if you have linked a single phone number with too many Twitter accounts, then Twitter won't be able to know to which account you are trying to log in. So that problem will occur. So in order to fix that, you just can enter your email address and username of your Twitter and go for the process. If you forgot your password, then you can also tap over the forgot password option and the delete button, and from over there you can reset your password and log in easily. Further, if you have set up your biometrics or Face ID on iPhone for logging into your account, then you can easily try that and log in to your Twitter account. That's the thing. So with this way you'll be able to fix if you got a problem saying that more than one account with that phone number on Twitter. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.